You know that moment when you buy good earphones, plug them in, and your phone says, "Best I can do is meh sound." Yeah, that's when a tiny DAC becomes your new best friend. So today, quick real talk. KZ AM02 versus FiiO JA11. Which one actually upgrades your sound and which one just upgrades your expectations? Let's start with KZ AM02. This one feels like the control freak of the two, in a good way. It's got physical EQ modes built in so you can switch sound profiles instantly, balance for everyday listening, bass boost if you want your music to hit like leg day, and gaming modes that sharpen footsteps and details. Inside, it uses a dedicated DAC chip designed to improve clarity and reduce distortion. In real use, music sounds cleaner, vocals pop more, and games feel more positional. Plus, the aluminum body and braided cable makes it feel durable, not like those dongles that die after one angry backpack toss. Now the FiiO JA11. This one's more like the smart nerd of the family. Instead of physical switches, it relies on DSP tuning and app-based EQ. That means you can load preset sound curves or fine-tune your own profile if you like customizing. It also supports high-resolution decoding and microphone input with inline controls. Translation, you can listen, take calls, record, or even sing karaoke without unplugging anything. Build quality is solid too. Alloy body, interference resistant wiring, and a soft but durable cable. So which should you pick? If you want instant hardware EQ, gaming focus, and the quick plug and play tuning, the KZ AM02 feels more hands-on and fun. If you prefer app control, customization, and all-around daily versatility, the FiiO JA11 feels more smarter and more flexible. Bottom line, AM02 press buttons, enjoy sound. J11 tweak settings, craft your sound. And honestly, either one will make your headphones sound better than plugging straight into most phones. Now tell me, are you team button control or app control? And remember, if this video helped you fix something or saved you from wasting money, here's an easy way to support the channel. You'll find an Amazon link in the description. Bookmark it and use it whenever you shop. Whether you're buying tech or everyday essentials, a small portion of what you already spend helps support the work here at no extra cost to you. And trust me, Amazon won't even notice. If you want to support directly, you can also buy me a coffee or check out the phone accessories store link below. Totally optional. That's it. Thanks for the support. Stay sharp and I'll see you in the next video.